Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create responsive tables using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today, how to create responsive tables using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything with step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing technologies provide the Texas Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to our Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? Responsive tables creation using HTML and CSS. Okay, here you can observe it. Here horizontal scroll bar is there. It is automatically responsive. Automatically adjust the width of the table. Okay, if you have a table that is too wide, you can a container element overflow xauto. I will explain with example also. This is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. H1, okay, once we'll check the output. Responsive tables. Yeah, this is the output. Next, I will write the dual class name table. Okay. Here. Ph. Okay, so check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next, here, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In the flow. Ready. Next another bar. Ready. So check the output. This is the output. Next I will write some CSS for this. Okay. Call the CSS file here. Yeah, just I am call the CSS file here. Yeah, okay. 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 Student center. Okay. PH separate background color. Okay. Next here, this is not a responsive. This is here. This scroll bar is there. Here. Next, I will write workflow auto. Next, we can resize this window. Stable as a horizontal scroll bar. Window is automatically responsive. Okay. Resize the browser window to see the effect. Try to remove the development to see the happens to the table. Restore text align center and adding 20 pixel. So guys, this is the process to write the responsive tables using HTML and CSS. Here, table has a horizontal scroll bar. This is automatically adjustable the width. I hope we all understand how to create the responsive table using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. Exos Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the Exos Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.